I know it doesn't look like much now, but that is two-pound American Wagyu flank steak, 60 bucks a steak in some marinade. Look, I got my marinade written down right here. Dijon mustard, olive oil, white wine vinegar, minced shallot, garlic, thyme, salt, and pepper. That's gonna go overnight in the refrigerator, and we're gonna have two-pound flank steaks on the grill tomorrow. One of the great reasons why I love having a Monument grills, especially this one, is because this side gets ripping hot right here. So these flank steaks, because they're $60 a steak, I don't want to mess them up. I'm going to sear them right in this zone right here, like 5 minutes aside. Then I'm going to move them over to the indirect side, let them come up to about 125, 130, let them rest, then slice them thin. Let's get to cooking. As we're coming along, ThermoWorks ThermoPin 1, always checking temperatures, greatest barbecue investment you could purchase. Just cut it nice and thin against the grain, don't mind the shadows. Probably gonna have some leftovers. Lots of Wagyu here. So, some of the kids like it more well done, more medium rare. Yummy. It's Wagyu.
You did it again, babe.
It's so yummy.
Wow.